You're ready to build your decision model. First, we'll click into build our decision model, and then we'll click start to create a model. We'll name the model, and then we'll choose our model time frequency. The options are week starting, week ending, or monthly. Typically, you're going to base this based on your outcome metric information. For example, if you have sales data and it's based on week ending Sunday, you would choose week ending Sunday, and then the system is going to take all of the other marketing data that's been uploaded or connected and align it with week ending Sunday so that all of the data is structured the same way in order to build the model. You can then choose your model date range. It starts with the earliest period in which you have data for all of your factors and ends with the latest date. We're going to choose to back this up into September so that we have a model that goes through Q3. Once we click next, we'll see that we have a list of all of the factors that are established for our segment. We can choose to exclude any of the factors by unchecking the box. Typically, this will be done when you're working to test out adding and removing different factors that are environment factors from your model to see what provides a better model fit. We'll learn more about this in subsequent videos on Model QC. The system is now taking a data snapshot. A data snapshot freezes a point in time slice of the data based on the model configuration selections, such as the frequency and dates, so that any changes made to factor data will not impact the model unintentionally. We can now review our data snapshot by looking at the financial as well as the activity data associated as a gut check to confirm that this looks like what we would expect based on the data that we've uploaded to be processed. Once we confirm that the data looks good, we'll click to estimate the model. The model quickly estimates and loads results so that you can quickly look at and check the model quality in order to make sure that the decisions that you'll be making based on the model are based on a model in which you feel comfortable with. Once the model completes and you see the results brief, you can see an image that shows your actual data that was uploaded based on the outcome metric, as well as the model prediction and any residuals that are left over. We'll talk more about what this means in the Model QC step. The ROIs are provided as a range to establish guardrails for the model. Keen's engine is based on years of marketing model information, both from our own system as well as from academic research. To do this, we'll click on the Add Research button, and Keen's engine will load. If you have your own information from lift studies as an example, and you would like to incorporate that into your model, then you would enter that research here. Let's assume that we have information about a Facebook lift that tells us that the ROI for Facebook for our business is between $2 and $2.50. Elasticities detail the percentage change in sales from changes in your factor activity. ROIs will be converted automatically to be properly utilized in informing the model. If you do prefer, however, to enter elasticity information instead of ROIs, that is also an option. The Resource Center provides further detail if you'd like to learn more.